So hey guys, today I'm going to be doing my bathroom organisation video. Sorry if you can hear the extractor fan, it's going to be a paid extra in this video, but yeah, I'm going to be putting all my new bits and bobs in my bathroom, hopefully making it look cute. Come along if you want to see some new toiletries, some bathroom design inspiration potentially, and come along for some organisation. So hey guys, it's Becky and welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for joining me today. So I recently had my bathroom redone, which was so needed. If you haven't watched the video, I'll link it down below because no one ever puts them up and I always forget, and so it'll be in the description box if you want to see what this used to look like. It used to look bloody awful, but now it looks really nice. If you like these kinds of videos, I do beauty, fashion, lifestyle, all sorts of things, hauls. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, so you can always hit that big red subscribe button down below if you would like to see more of this content. I love watching these kinds of videos, so I hope you do too. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know your favourite beauty item, your favourite toiletry item down below. Anything from your favourite soap to your favourite toothpaste, I want to know. So I need to show you what we're dealing with. It's a lot. So, oh, so much. This is what we're dealing with. Some of this stuff is not going to make it. Some of this stuff is old, or like I don't need a bath mat anymore. Some of this stuff will not be making it, but some of the stuff will be, and this doesn't look as bad as you think it is. It's not as full, but yeah, this is the situation, and we've got to get it in here. But we've got lots of storage. We've got the shower shelves over here. We've got this mega double mirror cabinet, which has been the banes of my life, because it's got this blue crap all over it, and I spent last night, I think, about an hour getting most of it off with tweezers. It was a nightmare. This is from Wix. Maybe don't get it because it was painful to get it all off. Then we've got this little kind of area here. I think I want to kind of keep it a little bit decorative. Here's some of that blue stuff here. Now, if you watched my bathroom haul video, also ignore my nails, they need to be done. I had a Carlos the crab, but there is no room for Carlos, so he's going in my spare bed. But I think this is going to be toilet roll, cubby hole. Then I have already got some stuff in here because life. So I've got my bin from Costco and my loo brush from Next, and these are from HomeSense. Soho Living is the brand. And then I've already started putting a couple of things in here. Oh, I just bought some cotton pads because I thought I didn't have any. But this could all change. And then a big one down here. So this is what we're working with. How exciting. So I've popped you in my cabinet. It's my favourite place to put you guys, is in a cupboard somewhere. So first up, I want to show you something that me and Mum both have, and it's really cool. It is a footrest. So if you have a shower and no bath, and you're like, where can I put my foot up to shave your leg or to wash your foot or whatever, this is a little foldable stool, and it has a little dip for you to put your foot on. This is a Japanese invention. It has got a little hole so you could hang it up if you wanted to. It's made of bamboo as well, so it's not going to get rotten. It's a little stiff at the moment just because it's new, but absolutely love it. So that's going straight in my shower. That's very useful. Now up next is a bath mat, which I'm concerned about. Everyone said that this bath mat the black runs into the cream, but I bought it so long ago and I don't have the receipt. that I'm just gonna wing it. So I'm gonna put this one in the wash now. This one's going in the wash because she's been here. She's been in a while. I'm gonna leave the sink one though because I haven't got a replacement for that one yet. But this one gets the most wet. This is where my feet go. That's in the washing pile. So this is from Next, and I really liked it because I think because the room is so light, I think it's quite nice to have a little bit of black just to break it up a little bit. So I'll pop this on the floor. It's very thick, very nice. I'll have to show you that later, but I'm hoping and praying that it's going to be okay. Then I've got my toothbrush situation. Here she is. I think I'm going to keep it out. We'll see. Because I have quite a lot of, I'm on a teeth journey, guys, but I'm trying to get better at looking after my teeth. So I've bought lots of exciting dentistry things just to keep me going. So this is a bit of a, I guess, a sensitive subject, but I've always struggled looking after my teeth. I don't know why. It's not my parents' fault. They tried really hard. I don't know why. I've never got, I don't know. I'm really bad at keeping routines, and especially COVID and working from home. You know, you're like, you get out of bed and then you're like, oh God, I've got a meeting in 5 minutes. So you just sit in the front of the computer and then you're like, oh, it's past lunchtime, so I might as well just wait till the evening to brush your teeth. You know what I'm saying? But guys, we need to do better than that. So I'm trying really hard this year to like not do that. So I know I'm not the only one. I've got quite a few friends in my life that struggle from the same thing. So if you struggle too, you are not the only one. We all struggle. My boyfriend, he loves brushing his teeth. He's brushing his teeth. He brushes his teeth after lunch, which I get, but I just have some chewing gum. Then I got this lovely tray that I'm going to put my Stacey Stollerman Reed diffuser on, and that's going to go above the toilet. Just going to look really nice, but I'm trying not to put too much stuff everywhere. So we'll see how we get on. Then I have got this soap canister. Oh, and everyone said that these look like white chocolate fingers. Well, it does a little bit, but I have got a different soap that I think I'm going to put out instead for now. So I think I haven't got a soap to refill it. Well, I have got a Rituals one downstairs actually, but I think I'm just going to pop this in here for now. Let me show you what I've done so far. So here is where I'm popping that little footstool. I love that it's natural wood. I think it goes with the bathroom really well. Here is the Risky Bath Mat. Don't let me down, mate. And then we've got that little toothbrush area and that lovely little tray. And I'll put the soap thing in there for now. But we're starting to build. We're building layers. So the plan is in here, teeth bits down here, face routine stuff every day, like shaving, tanning, body, and then probably some more skincare, maybe stuff that I don't use all the time. That's the plan. So just on the talk of dentistry, mouth stuff, I picked this up from Boots. It's Wacken strawberry and mint mouthwash. It's got no alcohol in it. It does have fluoride, which my dentist says you need to have fluoride in your products because that is what keeps your teeth from rotting. So that's going straight in here. I need to get myself a little shot glass though, because I don't think I can drink it out the lid. Then I got these really cutie little floss sticks from Grin. They were $5.99. I need to take that off, but how cute. Just like love the aesthetic. And then this is the thing I'm most excited for. This is a new brand. They sent me this. It's called Zing. And they do an apple and kiwi, a lemon and a mint. So they've got mint, but they've also got these really nice fruity flavors because sometimes mint makes me gag. Fun story. So this hasn't got any titanium dioxide, which I think is what makes toothpaste white, and it's also quite unnecessary and a suspected carcinogen. I don't know too much about that kind of thing, and that's not what my channel's about. So, but I'm here for the flavors. So it's great to see them making toothpaste without these ingredients, but it still has fluoride in it, which you need in your toothpaste. So really excited to try this. So this is where we are. I never need to buy hair removal cream again. I've not only got these two that are open, but I also bought some more. So fully stocked there. I've got some tanning bits here, some shaving bits here. My Mega Babe Chub Rub Stick, it's okay. I'm gonna keep it because I bought it. And then just to make the cabinet look bougie, my Tom Ford shimmer oil. These are some more kind of like niche, not everyday products that I use skincare wise. That have just been kind of like hiding, so I really don't use them. And then I've got more of like my everyday stuff. So I've got a couple of Aldi things that are new to my collection that I want to try and use. I love the Wishful skincare range from Huda and Paula's Choice. The BHA exfoliant's amazing. A couple of cleansers and some creams. A little tubby here for tweezers and that lip oil from Aldi. I love that. And then I've got my little dentistry area with backup toothpaste. And then this is the soap I'm going to go for at the moment. It's a Bath and Body Works. It's a Cozy Vanilla Almond, and I just thought it looked really cute. I've had it for ages and just not used it, so I've got the soap thing for if I ever want that there, but I also just think it kind of breaks up the set a little bit. It would have been quite a lot of Cadbury's white chocolate fingers, so that's where we're at now. So here is my stash of tampons and sanitary towels. I like to keep a lot on deck because I'm a Super Plus girly. I use majority, I'll use regular, like when I just start and when I end, and then Super Plus. And then I never really use Super because it's really all or nothing. So I am going to more pads. I sometimes need to double protect as well. So I got these little boxes from TK Maxx Home Sense. It came in a pack of 4. That I need to sort out as well. This is a situation too. But I'm gonna time lapse this, organising my tampy tamps. Colourful rainbow of tampons. Also, little reminder, if you can, always try and put some feminine hygiene products in food banks, because this is an incredibly lucky situation to be able to have this much on deck whenever I need it. So next time I go to the shops, I'm going to be picking up a couple of boxes of pads and tampons to put in the food bank. Remember, this is always a really privileged position to be in. think that was quite possibly the worst thing I ever filmed. So this is what we've got. We've got body there, which is like a whipped cream style shower gel, sounds amazing, and a True Hut body scrub that I had imported. I've got a brush and a loofah, and then I've got the entire pineapple range and a little scalp massager and a foot file. How cute. So that's what I'm going to keep in the shower. Loving these shelves so much. Keeps everything so neat and tidy, and the hooks are fab. Guys, I'm a bit exhausted. I think it's taken me 2 hours. Look, I'm sweating. It's a warm day, but I've got it done and it looks amazing. Let me show you how much stuff I've got rid of and into the bathroom. So this is all we have left. Even Mum's taken it. I'm going to put it on Facebook Marketplace. And then I've just got these 2 baskets, which again, I'm going to see if anyone wants. And I'm going to see if Mum wants this because I barely used it. And she loves the bath mat. So that's all going to go to good places. That I still need to take back to B&Q. You're naughty. We don't like you. But yeah, everything else has been dealt with. So guys, here is the grand reveal. I'm really pleased with how little I have on the surfaces. I am such a hoarder of things. So this is really good for me. So this, we've got the little Get Naked sign and that spare loofah. I've got an M&S, like really fancy hand towel I got on the sale for £2. £2 from M&S. Then I've got my little toilet rolls, and this, guys, smells heavenly. If you can get your hands on it, it smells so good. So I've got that there, and I think it looks quite fancy. And then I've got the reed diffuser there. I think this just needs a little thing, whether it's a little naked statue or a candle or a little fake plant. I also want a fake plant up here, but I really wanted to get this done before finding those. Really happy with how this is looking. Let me show you where we got to. It is full. There is a bit of space if I needed it, but I don't need to buy any skincare, hair removal, or anything else for the foreseeable future. So really happy with that. Then onto the drawers. We've got the sanitary station. I've got little, bags, bum wipes. I love a bum wipe. And then I like to buy these when I see them on offer. So there we go. These are all my travel minis. Still need to go through them because I've got loads of travel minis everywhere. Backup cotton pads with the rest of the backups in my airing cupboard, and all of my new razor blades. And then this is all of my cleaning products and backup products. Again, never need to buy anything ever again. This is all hair stuff, and that's all body stuff, and some spare toothbrushes as well. And then finally the shower, got that lovely little stool. I will link that on Amazon. I think it's fab. And then the shelves with not too much on. So also if I need to bring anything out of my cupboard, I still have space to put it in here for when I use it. So I'm so pleased. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna put this little sign. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's always so fun to watch other people organise. But whew, it's 20 degrees today as well, guys. So yeah, it's always a big job, but it's always fun to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know your favourite beauty/toiletry item down below in the comments, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye.